So hello guys, welcome back all of you to another video of my YouTube channel. In this video we will be making a text effect, glowing text effect using HTML and CSS for our more interactive web designs. So first let me show you how does it look like. Wait a second. So this is the total output, how this project look like. You can design your own text here, whatever you want you can design here. I'll show you its code. I'll simply put it down the code link in my description. You can simply download it from here, or you can just simply put anything to here that will be showing up here with the glowing text effect using CSS, mostly CSS. The HTML part is very basic, as you can see. So I was telling you that the source code is also available in the description. You can either download it from there or you can just simply code by your own. So without wasting any more time, let's get started.